We are not stopping today. We have got another Yeezy 350 review for you guys, and that is in the Sesame colourway. This Yeezy day review ain't stopping anytime soon, so sit back and enjoy the video. I've been wanting this pair since I think it was literally 2017 or 18 when it first came out, and they've done a raffle. I hit. I'm very happy, and this is probably one of the cleanest colorways you'll ever get in the Yeezy 350. So let's get into the materials of the shoe. It's pretty much exactly the same as the Yeezy 350 red stripe. It has its prime knit material going all the way around the lateral and medial side of the shoe, and it just has that pull tab at the back as well. The shoe's prime knit basically comes in this one solid color of grey, and it also has the sort of sesame color boost on the bottom here when it comes to the sole. I think that's a really nice touch they've added to that, because if they had just come with the cream color here on the bottom, I don't think it would have given that bit of character that the shoe needed, and for that it just makes everything blend well. And also the biggest factor about this shoe that I like the most is the pull tab. The pull tab, it's just something that makes the shoe easier to put on and take off. And I think that is the one thing they should always put on the 350s. Yes, some people don't like it because they think it ruins the aesthetic, but I like my shoes to have a bit of function to it as well, where you can just easily put on and take off the shoe. And for this reason, this definitely gets extra points for me. And yeah, I'm very, very happy about how the materials on this shoe is. When it comes to the fit, it fits exactly the same as any other 350 in the collection. As I said, I'm a 9.5. These fit perfectly for me. And so you can go half a size up as well if you really need to, if you can't get your size. So when it comes to these as well, do not go half a size down. I messed up when I've got my first blue tints. I think it was 5 or 6 years ago. I can't remember how long it was. But when I got my blue tints, I went a size 9, thinking I can get away with it, even with taking the midsole out. And my toes were screaming. But I managed to wear them out for about 4 or 5 years. I still got them. They're battered. And yeah, just thought I'd let you know anyway. Yeah, don't go half a size down. Go true to size or half a size up. When it comes to the price was £200 when it comes to these. Yeezy and Adidas obviously hiked up the prices on their shoes. Well, some of them anyway. But yeah, £200 retail for these. Are they worth it? I'd say so, because I really like the colourway and I'm just biased to Yeezy 350s in general. So I'd say they're worth the money. £200, £20 more than what they usually are. But inflation's happening and we've got to try and adapt to that, fellas. So yeah, I say it's worth the money at the end of the day. I've gone through the materials, I've gone through the price, and I've gone through how the shoe fits. Now, I'm gonna go throw these bad boys on for you guys and hopefully enjoy the rest of the video and on foot. And we're at that part of the video where you have to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Comment below if you did cop anything on Yeezy Day. And yeah, just subscribe to the channel, innit? It'll help me out a lot. So I'll see you guys in a bit.